The main power switch for the Crew CM50 can be located behind the machine on the lower right side. Flipping the switch to the on position will power on the coffee machine. To manually turn off the machine, press the 3-line menu and select Power Off. A quick rinse will take place before entering standby mode. To turn on the coffee machine from the standby mode, press and hold anywhere on the screen for 5 seconds. The machine will wake up and begin its startup sequence. The power switch for the cup and chill fridge unit can be located on the back right of the unit itself. Use the rocker switch to turn the power on and off. To turn on and cycle through the LED lighting, use the rocker switch on the back right of the cup and chill unit. To turn the lights off, cycle through the colors until the lights turn off. The cup warmer element can be turned on and off from the power switch on the back left of the cup and chill unit. To remove the hot chocolate mixing bowl, firstly remove the small pipe that connects to the bowl by pulling off with gentle force. Next, rotate the red locking ring to the unlocked position. Finally, rotate the chocolate hopper catch to release the hot chocolate mixing bowl. The mixing bowl can be split into 2 parts for easy cleaning. The small sponge located on the side of the mixing bowl only needs cleaning if dirty. Reassemble the mixing bowl using the cutout notch to line up the 2 parts and return to the coffee machine. The hoppers on top of the Crew CM50 can be locked and unlocked using the hopper locking key provided. The key is stored on the inside of the main door of the coffee machine. To select a drink, press the desired drink icon on the touchscreen menu. Swiping left and right will display the full menu of drinks available on that machine. To cancel the selected drink, simply press Cancel during the drink dispense. To remove the drip tray and dump box, squeeze the 2 tabs on either side of the drip tray. This will disengage the drip tray and allow it to be pulled out. The brewing unit is now accessible at the back of the machine. Applying firm pressure to the rectangular button will release the brewing unit from the coffee machine. Once removed, the brewing unit can be visually inspected and rinsed quickly if there is coffee built up. Do not fully submerge the brewing unit whilst cleaning. To replace, slide the brewing unit to the back of the coffee machine in an upright position, pressing it against the back wall of the interior of the machine. Whilst applying forward pressure, push the unit upwards until it clicks back into position. The 1-button maintenance is a semi-automatic cleaning process and should be done at the end of every day. To begin, select the menu and then 1-button maintenance. To remove the dispensing head, squeeze the tabs either side of it and pull down gently. To remove the frother from the dispensing head, press the button-like part in the center of the dispensing head on the bottom of the unit. It will click out and the milk frother can be removed. Rinse the dispensing head with warm water to remove any coffee or milk residue. Remove the cap of the milk frother and separate the main body into 2 connected parts whilst being careful not to move the milk temperature dial on the frother body. Clean all parts with warm water to remove any milk residue. To replace the milk frother, align the temperature dial with the recess on the dispensing head and push in firmly until it clicks. It can only be reassembled one way. Check the alignment before pushing the dispensing head back into the coffee machine. To remove the water tank, open the coffee machine door to gain access to the machine. To remove the water tank, lift up slightly and pull towards you. Refill the water tank using fresh water not exceeding the full marker line on the side of the tank. The machine will warn the user when the water tank is low. Following the on-screen instructions, the machine will ask you to add a cleaning tablet via the chute located between the coffee hoppers. To clean the milk system, place the end of the silicone milk pipe into a jug containing 0.5 litres of water and 50 to 60 millilitres of milk cleaning solution provided by the company. The machine will then run through its automatic cleaning cycle. When prompted, discard the water cleaning solution from the jug and replace with clean water to flush out any remaining cleaner in the machine. The machine may ask you to empty the drip tray and dump box if required. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, the machine will ask to be powered down.